We got to find a way to win in Minnesota against a Minnesota school. But I like some of the things I've seen, and they played well and they got some good players. So we have to make sure we defend and hopefully take advantage of some of the things that we saw.
I mean, we feel ready. They're a little quick team and stuff, but we just know like running and stuff, running and rebound. They shoot threes and stuff, but I just feel like we just want to come out there and just play Eastfield basketball and just do what we do.
I think we match up the same in size, but we just more athletic. We got more people that can jump and just get the rebounds. They're not really gonna rebound. They just gonna play solid. They don't really got too much accolades or anything like that.
We still got to go out and play basketball. We got to go out and play Eastfield basketball. We got to go out there and do the job. We got to make shots. We got to defend. We can't worry about the officials. We can't worry about being in Minnesota. You can't worry about anything. We got to go out there and play Eastfield basketball. Go out there and do our jobs and do what we're taught to do.
I always watch the player that I'm gonna have to hold the day before. So yeah, I'm gonna have to hold him, and I just watched him. Like, I know I got to be aggressive with him because he's not very aggressive. So he don't know what he got coming.
They gonna play fast. We're gonna try to play faster because that's how we play. We're gonna stick to our game plan. They gonna have to keep up with us.